Hello, my dear students. Good morning, good afternoon, or maybe good night. I'm so glad to make this tutorial video for all of you in this 14th week of virtual classes. So fast, we have to continue with these topics. Let me share my screen. Okay, looking here, this is the file for all of you, for all the students of second baccalaureate of the educational unit Santiago de Quito School. So let's start. This is an activity where we're going to put in practice all the skills. Looking here, reading, writing, listening, speaking. But if we're going to put in practice all these skills, don't forget that we're going to practice the most important skill. Do you remember what is the most important skill of English learning? Is thinking, thinking in English, okay? So for working with all these skills, implicitly you will be working with the most important skill, that is thinking, okay? Now let's continue with checking this file. What's it in here? We're going to read an article about culture. What culture? United States culture. The theme of this article is United States Academic Decathlon. This is a name of a famous competition. That's the reason for this trademark uh, sign, okay? This is a trademark sign. And the objective is that we're going to read and then we're going to talk about this famous and academic competition around the whole country. Looking here, the nuclear content and the theoretical information. What is this about? Okay, what we know that we have to open the book on the page number 102, and we're going to, what do we see here? Okay, let's go to the book. What do we see here? Okay, this is the page 102, but what do we see here? What is this about? That is the reason why we writing here the theoretical information about these activities. For example, and one of the points of the theoretical information is that we're going to read or listen about a student's competition in the United States, which includes high, medium, and low scored students. It is not just for the best students, it's for all kind of students. This famous competition is a tradition in the whole country and encourages many students to earn a lot of prizes. Okay? This is a famous challenge for the students, and the best students win prizes. Let's see, let's read to know what kind of prizes they earn. We also have this Did You Know box for additional information to get a clearer idea. Okay? But we have to check these activities from the book. Okay? We have in here the reading article, but don't forget that you also have to answer these questions below. Okay, this is the first one. Answer the questions. Okay, have you ever won a medal? What was it for? Would you be interested in participating? Would you be interested in participating in an academic competition? This seems like a question previous doing this activity. Okay. Okay, looking here, this another nuclear content that you have to do. We're going to explain that after this. Okay, the instruction for that activity is that here you're gonna answer this question with your own information, with your own experiences as you were speaking. previous, start reading the article, okay? This is an opening activity before we start reading the article, okay? Now, in the exercise 2, you have to read the article. You gotta answer this question from the article, and let's see if you understood the article's message. After this, you can play the audio one to improve your pronunciation, okay? Where is the audio number 1? In here, in the support material, you have the audio number 1. That is the same reading article that we have in here, but it's the audio version, okay? So, what kinds of students can participate in academic decathlon? Already said that, so you know that answer. For the number 3, of course, if you read the article and you could answer correctly the previous questions, you'll be able to answer these questions says in here. I've just read what says in here. If you read this article and you could answer correctly the previous questions, the question number 2 of the exercise 2, you'll be able to answer this question. What kind of questions? Let's hear. Oh, we have these 5 questions that you have in here. This will be to consolidate your understanding about this article, about these Olympics for the brain. Olympics for the brain. Finally, tell us about your skills and your academic wishes, says in here. Tell us about your skills and your academic wishes. Okay? Share with us, speak a little about your skills. Maybe you don't have excellent grades, but you have another skills. Maybe you are a great musician, a great drawer, a great painter. I don't know, maybe you you have a lot of talent working with animals, with in agriculture. That's a lot of talents that maybe that they're not academic but are very important. Tell us about it, okay? And finally, okay, finally, this another content. You have to watch the videos into the Cambridge platform. For doing these pages 90 and 91 to fill these activities, and don't forget that you also have to do the corresponding activities into the Cambridge platform. And here is the evaluation criteria. Here is very important you to understand that you have to write, here you have to write your answers for the exercise 4 into the page of this page, into the blog tab of the Cambridge platform. Which one is the exercise 4? This is the exercise 4. You're going to answer this question with your own information as you were speaking, with your own words. And this one you have to share, to post these answers into the, we said, excuse me class, into the blog tab in here. Okay, and you're going to post your answers from the exercise 4. You're going to post in here. You have to enter here and post your answers. Besides this, for doing the video activity, you can find the video here in the resources tab. You have to go to the student resources. Then you go to the unit 9, that is our unit in this time. You go to video, click on video, and here you have the video for live warrant athletes and the circus start video. Watching the video, you will be able to do these pages from the workbook, okay? Also, don't forget that you have to do the corresponding activities here in the content tab. You click on that, then you go to the unit number 10, and you have to make these activities this one over here, and this other one over here. Okay, okay, my dear students, don't forget to do that. Don't forget to check the whole file that I've prepared to all of you. Okay, check that you comply with all the evaluation criteria. Take the clear photos, write with a clear letter. Okay, I guess this is all. We'll see you in class, but you have to bring your done activities. So you can tell us how did you do these activities. In this way, you can ask to the teacher, share with some other students, and keep improving your knowledge and your learning, okay? I guess this is all. See you on class, guys. Bye-bye.